After rigorously testing 12 mirror dash cams over 3 months of day and night driving, I've identified the 5 models that truly excel at capturing clear, reliable footage. Our comprehensive testing process, which includes low-light performance evaluation, motion detection analysis, and real-world accident scenarios, has revealed which dash cams genuinely protect your interests on the road. Each camera offers unique features that might be perfect for your vehicle, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Number 5. The Pelsee P12 Plus. 4K's dual camera setup is a real game changer. The 4K front and 1080p rear recording provide incredibly detailed footage, making it easy to read license plates or spot crucial details, something some other dual cams struggle with. Its night driving performance is impressive. The f1.5 aperture and WDR significantly improve visibility in low-light conditions. Wi-Fi connectivity is a huge plus, allowing quick access to footage via the app, without fiddling with memory cards. The 12-inch touchscreen is genuinely practical, offering a clear view of the road ahead. Setup isn't the easiest. The manual could be improved, and while the night vision is good, some grain appears in extreme darkness. However, the safety features are genuinely useful. Lane departure and forward collision warnings are potentially life-saving, and the blind spot detection is surprisingly accurate. The GPS tracking provides valuable location data, offering peace of mind. The included 64GB card, expandable to 256GB, ensures ample recording space. While not the cheapest option, the Pelsee P12 Plus 4K is a worthwhile investment for drivers prioritizing safety and reliable recording. The video quality, safety features, and overall reliability make it a strong contender for anyone looking for a comprehensive dashcam solution. Number 4. The Jansite 10-inch mirror dash cam transforms your everyday driving experience with essential upgrades. The dual 1080p camera system delivers crisp front and rear recordings, making text and signage clearly visible. Weather resistance is assured through the IP68 rated rear camera, while the extended 33-foot cable ensures hassle-free installation in vehicles of any size. A highlight is the expansive 10-inch IPS touchscreen display, which dramatically improves visibility compared to conventional rear-view mirrors and effectively eliminates blind spots. The touch controls make feature access and view switching effortless and intuitive. Performance in darkness sets this unit apart. The enhanced night vision capabilities maintain clear visibility when light is scarce, while the integrated parking guidance system proves invaluable during complex maneuvers. The mounting process requires some patience, particularly with larger vehicles. Though the system performs flawlessly once in place, the G-sensor and loop recording features deliver reliable performance as designed. Security-conscious drivers will appreciate the parking surveillance mode, which converts your vehicle into a monitoring system while stationary. Note that continuous 24/7 monitoring requires purchasing a separate hardwire kit. The anti-glare coating effectively reduces reflections, though it may slightly affect screen brightness in intense sunlight. Considering its features, the Jansite Mirror Dash cam delivers excellent value. While you'll need to supply your own SD card, the combination of dependable recording quality, expansive touchscreen display, and advanced features like parking monitoring makes this a worthwhile investment. For those who can manage the initial setup process, it provides an effective solution for enhanced driving security and confidence. Number 3. The P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash cam transforms everyday driving into a safer experience. The advanced ADAS collision avoidance technology serves as your digital co-pilot, delivering timely alerts for potential crashes, unintentional lane changes, and unexpected pedestrian crossings. Crystal clear 4K Ultra HD recording from both cameras ensures every crucial detail is captured, from distant number plates to roadside signage. The sophisticated wide dynamic range technology adapts seamlessly to lighting changes, maintaining optimal visibility, whether you're driving in bright daylight or complete darkness. While sharing similar video capabilities with other premium models, the P12 Pro's mirror integration provides a more elegant, streamlined installation. The intelligent blind spot monitoring system elevates highway safety, providing crucial warnings about vehicles in hard-to-see areas. Hands-free voice control enhances operational safety, eliminating the need to take your hands off the wheel. There are 2 minor considerations. Continuous recording from ignition can rapidly consume storage space, and the rear camera may experience some fogging during heavy precipitation. The sophisticated parking surveillance system stands guard while your vehicle is stationary, automatically documenting any impacts or disturbances. The thoughtfully included 32GB storage card and built-in GPS functionality provide comprehensive incident documentation capabilities right out of the box, requiring no additional purchases. Considering its comprehensive feature set, the P12 Pro delivers exceptional value. Despite small limitations, it excels in core dashcam functionality, with safety features that justify the investment. For drivers seeking advanced protection in a sleek mirror design, the P12 Pro represents a compelling choice. Number 2. The Veement 4K Mirror Dash. CAM delivers exceptional clarity through its dual camera configuration, featuring 4K front and 1080p rear recording capabilities that match the Pelsee P12 Plus 4K in capturing essential details like license plates and road signage. The f1.8 aperture excels in nighttime conditions, delivering performance on par with the Jansite's renowned low-light capabilities. Its generous 10-inch touchscreen interface ensures optimal visibility, rivaling the Jansite's display quality, while the integrated voice control system eliminates manual operation, similar to the P12 Pro's hands-free functionality. This thoughtful design enables quick video locking and photo capture without compromising driver attention. Like most mirror dash cams, the device generates some heat during extended operation. Nevertheless, the comprehensive 160-degree front-rear camera coverage guarantees complete surveillance of your surroundings. The mounting process proves more straightforward than the Pelsee P12 Plus 4K, requiring only secure attachment to your existing mirror. The Veement delivers exceptional value, combining impressive video resolution, user-friendly operation, and crucial safety features at its price point. While it may not include the sophisticated driver assistance features found in the P12 Pro, it successfully competes with more expensive alternatives in fundamental performance areas. For drivers seeking a dependable mirror dash cam that balances essential features with cost-effectiveness, the Veement presents a compelling option. Number 1. The Wolfbox G840 addresses common driver frustrations with blind spots and subpar video quality. The expansive 12-inch display enhances visibility beyond traditional mirror dimensions, while the 4K front camera delivers exceptional clarity that proves invaluable when documenting incidents. The video quality matches premium competitors, producing footage that's sharp enough to capture critical details during accidents or incidents. With comprehensive 170-140-degree viewing angles for front and rear cameras, the system significantly reduces blind spots compared to conventional mirrors. Low-light performance stands out, utilizing advanced WDR and HDR technology to maintain clarity, even in challenging conditions. The system excels at capturing essential details like license plates and road signs in darkness, outperforming many competing models. The display can experience some glare during intense sunlight, and the rear camera positioning isn't optimized for reverse parking assistance. However, the dual-camera split-screen functionality provides excellent situational awareness while driving. Video transfer requires manual SD card removal, since there's no Wi-Fi capability. The included 32GB storage card provides immediate functionality out of the box, and the intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies operation and settings adjustment. For drivers seeking enhanced visibility and reliable incident documentation, the Wolfbox G840 delivers compelling value. Despite minor limitations, the combination of superior recording quality and the generous display size makes it particularly appealing for those who spend significant time on the road and prioritize safety documentation.